This is how we get down with no influencer privilege, y'all. I paid for this. I ghost bought it. They don't know. They gonna know after this. It better work out for those who love the Lord. I feel like it's supposed to have. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all like this. As the good brother Arsenio Hall once prophesied. Folks be prophesying and you don't even know. Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of No Influencer Privilege.
Let the church say subscribe.
This has the possibility to turn out to be horrific. Okay, it really does. I'm gonna tell you in a second. Hold it. Let me just do this real quick. Nah, I'm gonna tell y'all like this. Y'all already know. If y'all not new to this, y'all true to this, you already know what time it is with no influencer privilege. This is when I ghost by wigs, basically. And I go by what y'all want to see. Things that I've already done in collaborations, those same wigs ghost buying to make sure they sending out the right stuff. Like New Kids on the Block said.
You got the right stuff?
And other wigs that I have not used before, I have not worn before, but it's things you want to see me ghost by to make sure before you spend your ducats to make sure that you are going to get what you think you're going to get. Now, I wasn't even going to do this one, but a few of y'all was wanting me to ghost buy from this company, and I get it, though. I understand why. It's because these particular wigs cost a pretty penny. Because they're the gorgeous wig. Magnificent is a word that would be great at describing these wigs. Now, these particular wigs last a very, very long time. So it's worth the investment, okay? To me it is. Now, I can't manage nobody else's jacket pocket. Now, I'm gonna just tell y'all what I bought. I ghost bought a wig from Innovative Weaves and Wigs.
These are luxury wigs, okay?
I literally got the same wig that I wore, the very first wig that I wore that blew my mind. Y'all know what I'm talking about. That's the same one I got. I got the same density. I got the same length, I believe. I got everything the same as when I worked on the collaboration video with them. And it's Nicole, okay? They offer a lot of different textures of different curl patterns. Nicole is my favorite. I'm going to show you what we're working with. And honey, I got the big, thick, ignorant one too. I think I got like 250% density, all of that. So I paid a penny for this. Okay. Bam. Their packaged sauce is always very nice. I would expect nothing less. And thank God it came the same way because, whoo, Chad, this thing better be exactly. Because don't get up here lying. You know what? I have faith. I really do. I don't. Just saying. Everything is the same thus far. Lovely, lovely packaging. You got your little wig bag, so we are not swapping. And baby, you will not swap a thin part wig. This is not the wig to swap, okay?
Honey, this is luxury.
You ever had you a luxury wig? Well, if you've been thinking about getting one, this might be for you. If you've been thinking about, this curl pattern is the same, y'all. This is Nicole. The cap is the same. It's the breathable cap, which I love, y'all, because you can get to that scalp. You see, you can get to that scalp. Again, when I goes by, this stuff does not come to me. It does not come through me. So I have to, the people that I work with to make this happen, they send me all of the communications along the way that they receive, blah, blah, the order, all that stuff. So they mentioned that it takes up to 17 business days to process. It was very clear on the website. Super upfront about that, about the processing times, which for something of this caliber, I do not expect. You see what I'm saying? I expect it to be that. It got to its first stop because, you know, it has to go to who it goes to, and then that person will get it to me, basically. I'm not new to this. I'm true to this, okay? The wig was actually delivered to the first stop on July 11th. So that is awesome. That is great. That's excellent timing as far as the shipping goes. Bam, big ups. When the order was purchased, they sent the confirmation and it says free warranty is included with your order. Who is out here giving warranties, honey? I told you this is a luxury wig, but you got to get the luxury wig to get the warranty, I believe. This custom product is in high demand, so processing time is 10 to 17 business days. I understand. I'm excited to receive, but I can wait. They make it very clear, so there's no surprises, which I respect. We're unable to exchange if you order the wrong size. So take that domology. I feel like this is it. I really do, because it is looking just as full as the first one. I'm gonna do the same thing I did the first time. You co-wash it, you go through, you pop those curls, all that stuff. So I'm doing all of that. This is how we get down with no influencer privilege, y'all. I paid for this. I ghost bought it. They don't know. They gonna know after this. It better work out for those who love the Lord. I feel like it's supposed to have. So we're gonna see, but I just wanted to let you know what we're doing. But go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can join the family, join the fun. And as the good brother Arsenio Hall once prophesied, let's get busy. Folks be prophesying, you don't even know. Let's do this, y'all.